Good morning students. In last video you have seen the two islands that are the Andaman and Nicobar group islands and Lakshadweep islands. So now today I am going to teach you about the state which lies in the eastern coastal region, how they spend the life in the eastern coastal region, how they spend their life, what is the lifestyle of the people in the eastern coastal plains and which states are running in these states. I have already taught you that West Bengal, Odisha, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Puducherry, Kanyakumari and Andaman and Nicobar Island are situated in the eastern coastal region. Now student, we will learn the lifestyle of all these states separately. We will going to start from the West Bengal. West Bengal is the northernmost part of the eastern coastal plains. You have seen in the West Bengal is the last state of the northern plain. You can see it from this map. See here. It is the West Bengal. It is the West Bengal, and here the eastern coastal plain is ended. The Kolkata is the capital of West Bengal. You can easily see in the map. Yes, the orange color is showing you the eastern coastal plain and this orange color is showing you the western coastal plain. Now we are studying about the eastern coastal plain, and the northernmost state of the eastern coastal plain is the West Bengal. You can see here Kolkata is the capital of West Bengal. This state is actually not whole lies in the eastern coastal plain. This state is partially in the northern plains and partly in the coastal plains. Kolkata is the capital of West Bengal. What is the capital of West Bengal? Kolkata is the capital of West Bengal. It is situated on the bank of the river Hooghly. Which river? Hooghly river. Actually, Hooghly is the divided part of the Ganga. When Ganga entered in the Kolkata, it is divided into two parts, Padma and Hooghly. So, West Bengal is divided and finally they flow into the Bay of Bengal. So, Kolkata is situated in the bank of the river Hooghly. The Ganga and the Brahmaputra rivers make the land in this state very fertile. You have already known that the two rivers make a very big delta in this state, that is the known as Sundarban Delta, and as you know that the delta region is very fertile. So the land of the West Bengal is very fertile. Rice and jute are the main crops in this fertile region. Which crops they are growing? They are growing rice and jute. The second state is the Odisha, in the eastern coastal plain. The second state just southwards of the West Bengal, we can find the state of Odisha. You can see here. Where is Odisha located? Have you seen? This is the Odisha. Bhubaneswar is the capital of Odisha. Which is the capital of Odisha? Bhubaneswar is the capital of Odisha. People are engaged in farming. Means the people of Odisha are occupied which occupation? They occupied farming, fishing and mining. You know Odisha has a huge or vast deposit of the minerals. So the people of Odisha are also engaged in mining, and as we know that it is situated in the coastal region, so it is a simply fishing is also main occupation of the people. Odisha is rich in minerals like iron, coal and manganese. It is the leading producer of the iron ore. Leading producer means among all the states, Odisha is produced the largest amount of iron ore. Iron ore means actually iron is not found whatever you see. It is found with the lusting in the stones. That kind of the iron is known as the iron ore. Rourkela steel plant is located in Odisha. The famous steel plant, like in the Jharkhand, you can heard about the Tata steel plant. Just like Rourkela steel plant is located in Odisha, jute and rice are the main crops. Odia is the main language spoken here. Which language is spoken here? Widely, Odia is spoken here widely. Odissi is the popular classical dance of the state. Cuttack is an important city and the center of the business and industry. Puri attract many devotees. Devotees means the people who worship to the god in a depth. They are known as the devotee. You can see the Rath Yatra. This is the picture of the Rath Yatra. Jagannath temple is there, and every year in the Jagannath temple Rath Yatra is there. So, and the tourists are like to witness the Jagannath Rath Yatra. The famous Sun Temple at Konark is popular tourist spot. And another temple which is known as the Sun Temple at Konark is a popular tourist spot. Chilka Lake is famous for its bird sanctuary. Chilka Lake is the famous bird sanctuary there, which is a major tourist spot. Okay boys, in next video I will send about the Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu and Puducherry. Bye.